Make sure the thread pole is up. Cut all 4 strands of thread toward the back. Remove each spool of thread. Replace with new color spools of thread. Tie the new color thread with the previous color thread together in a knot for all 4. Turn serger on and feed the thread through the machine with the foot control. Adjust the tension dials to 0 so the knots will have ease. I had to open the front cover to make sure the thread is feeding properly. I used tweezers to press the safety switch in to use the foot control. The lower and upper looper thread will go through quicker than the left and right needle thread. The thread color has started to change. I try to slow down the control so the knot can go through the needle eye. Adjust the tension dials and test the stitch. All done.